Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about taking care of your industrial Sailrite machine. I picked up this machine 7 years ago to work on some bags because it's a travel walking foot machine, which I guess originally was designed to be used on like boats and stuff for sails and rigging. And because I was in LA in a studio, I thought it would be a nice alternative to owning a old school like traditional walking foot machine, which is much larger, it takes up more space, and it's not as easy to move around. So bought the machine, and I've been used to home machines, so the maintenance on it has been a little funky, but it has powered through. So today we are going to oil it. So I've got the digital guidebook all loaded up, and let's get going. So first things first, it's looking like we need to take this top piece off to kind of get the whole machine visible. So just using a flathead. So according to the guidebook, I'm just gonna move from left to right across machine, and I feel like maybe this one comes off too. And also in the guide it says that this should be done every 8 hours or for storing for long periods of time, and I'm just gonna say that I haven't followed that suggestion very well, so this is good to do. Okay. And also don't lose any of the screws. Okay, so got it all open up. So it's saying here, here. And once I'm do all this, I'm also gonna just run some test fabric through. That way if anything's like too moist, it'll get caught. So now we've moved on to the front side of the machine. I'm actually going to turn the guidebook to kind of mirror it because it's a little tricky just kind of going. So again from the top.